Have you ever felt broken, like life has shattered you into pieces you could never put back together? We've all been there, moments of pain, loss, and failure that make us feel fragile and incomplete. But what if I told you that your cracks don't make you less, they make you more? That within your brokenness lies the possibility of becoming something stronger, something more beautiful than ever before. This is the story of Kintsugi, the Japanese art of repairing broken pottery with gold. And within it lies a lesson that could transform the way you see your life. Life has a way of surprising us with cracks we never asked for. A betrayal, a loss, a failure, moments that shatter the picture we once thought was complete. Just like a piece of pottery falling to the ground, we often find ourselves in fragments, unsure if we'll ever feel whole again. In these times, the pain feels overwhelming, and it's easy to believe that brokenness is the end of our story. But here lies a hidden truth. Brokenness is not the end. It's the beginning of transformation. The cracks that appear in our lives are not proof of weakness, but opportunities for growth. Like a vessel waiting to be reborn, every piece of us, every scar, every wound carries the potential to be part of something stronger, more beautiful, and more meaningful than before. Kintsugi is an ancient Japanese art that repairs broken pottery with gold. Instead of hiding the cracks, the artist highlights them, making the once broken object more valuable than before. The philosophy behind Kintsugi is powerful. Our scars are not something to be ashamed of. They are to be embraced, honored, and cherished. In the same way, your struggles, your pain, your failures, these are the golden lines of your life. They are proof of resilience, courage, and the ability to rise again. Imagine if you could look at your scars not as flaws, but as unique strokes of gold that make your story unlike anyone else's. That's the gift of Kintsugi. It teaches us that healing can be beautiful and brokenness can be a masterpiece. Society often pressures us to look perfect, to live perfectly, to hide our weaknesses. But Kintsugi whispers a different truth. Imperfection is what makes us human, and humanity is what makes us beautiful. Every line of gold tells a story. Every scar you carry tells the world that you have lived, struggled, and survived. Think of your life as a canvas. The cracks are not failures. They are brushstrokes of resilience. They remind us that the things we've gone through did not destroy us. They shaped us. The world doesn't need another perfect picture. It needs stories of real people who turn their brokenness into wisdom, strength, and compassion. And that story, your story, is worth telling. Healing takes time, and often it feels slow, even painful. But just like the craftsman who patiently places each piece together with golden lacquer, you too are being remade. Each day you choose to rise again, each tear you shed, each step forward, it all becomes part of your golden repair. And when healing begins, something miraculous happens. You start to see that you are stronger than you ever thought possible. What once felt fragile now feels unbreakable. The pain that once defined you transforms into the strength that empowers you. Remember, it's not the breaking that defines you, but the way you rise after the fall. Your story of healing is not just for you. Just as Kintsugi creates art that inspires those who see it, your scars have the power to inspire others who are still broken. When you share your journey, your struggles, your cracks, your golden repairs, you'll remind others that they are not alone, and that beauty can be found even in pain. Never underestimate the impact of your story. Someone out there needs to know that survival is possible, that healing is real, and that scars can shine brighter than perfection. You don't have to be flawless to inspire, you just have to be real. By embracing your cracks, you give others permission to embrace theirs. The heart of Kintsugi is a profound truth. Brokenness is not the end, but the pathway to becoming a masterpiece. When you learn to see your cracks as art, you stop hiding and start living boldly. You become a symbol of hope, a living reminder that beauty is not in perfection, but in resilience. So let this be your reminder today. You are not broken beyond repair. You are in the process of becoming. Every scar is a line of gold, every wound a stroke of strength. Step into the world not ashamed of your cracks, but proud of the story they tell. Because you, with all your scars and golden lines, are already a masterpiece in progress. You are not defined by the times you've been broken. You're defined by the courage to heal, the strength to rise, and the beauty that shines through your scars. Like Kintsugi, you are proof that brokenness can become strength and pain can become art. So, if this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs to hear it today. And remember, every crack is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of your masterpiece. Stay strong, stay golden, and never forget. You are already more than enough.